Hi, I'm Mike from OGP. I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of inspecting your components. One of the main reasons we need to inspect components is so that we know they're correct, we meet customers' demands, we're highly accurate and highly repeatable. The main reasons for needing to measure or inspect your components on an OGP machine is the ability to have multiple sensors, so optics, lasers, touch probes, all contributing to high accuracy measurements, measuring of difficult features or difficult components, and ultimately at the end of the day making sure that those measurements are correct and taking away human interaction. If you want to find out more about multi-sensor measurements or the application side of your programming, get in touch with us here at OGP UK.